Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Teardown. And guess what? My friend Robert is gonna tell me what to do. Well, not really, he's just gonna talk about something and something else. Also, where in the actual fuck am I want out. I had enough of you. That just did nothing. Ooh, pump action shotgun. Knock this guy out the air. This shit sucks. Laser gun. Activate. Why the fuck is it still standing? I want it to stop standing, not still standing. Oh shit. Oh shit. Timber! Hang on, let me share my screen, bro. Okay, here we go. Share your screen. Tear down. Here we go. Look at this. Rest in peace, AT-AT. Okay, get the physics gun. Alright, let's set him on fire. Oh shit, that's laggy. Alright, physics gun. Oh shit! Oh shit, that's laggy. Oh shit, that's right, my computer. Look at that slide though. Anyways, let's see what we got. Minecraft Village. Here we go. FPS mode. Hell no. I got a 25 L old man PC. I don't know what the hell it's called. Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. Oh, I want to break the fucking knock knock. You got a delivery for 1,000,000 pipe bombs. Here you go. That didn't do shit. Alright, that's it. Meteor strike! Oh. Oh. Oh, Bessie! Oh, Bessie! What the fuck? What the fuck? Where'd a meteor strike go? Oh. My screen. Open. I hate this house. I hate it so much and I want it gone. V4. Million. I need 1,000,000 V4. I hate this house. It's ugly and I want it gone. Alright. On a count of 3, we blow it up, okay? 1, 2, 3! Oh shit, my PC! Oh god, my PC! Oh my god, my PC is about to explode. We exploded the whole round. God damn. This even opened the door to this. God damn. Alright, come out now. Come out now. Fucking bastard. Get out here. Bro, you even watch my screen?
But you're playing Teardown nice.
Hey, guess what? We don't need this bed! This wasn't a hole. How the fuck did the house get on fire? God damn! Hey yo! Hey yo! Hey yo! Firefighter! Firefighter! Everything will go over. So whatever I do. Shit. Hey! Hey, Ricochet. I wanna use Ricochet. There we go. I love the Ricochet. Alright, that's it. Rhythm. Beat hit! The whole roof just collapsed? What was the stairs, but I'm a monster. Alright, revive him. Here you go, rhythm. I love seeing everything crumble. Alright. I don't want to do acid. I'm not going on an acid trip. Alright. Alright, let's do Marina. Marina. Not the shit you see in movies. Marina. Shit. Alright. Alright. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I want to crash this shit. Say goodbye to your house, Robert! Mwahaha! Oh wait, that's just his brother's. That's just his little brother's house. That big house. You see that big house, Robert? That's your house, right? Well, don't worry. I'm just gonna ram into it. Once I try to figure how to. Ah! Oh god! Oh god! Timber! No timber! I'm gonna timber. Tim cook. Tim cooks. Tim doesn't know how to cook shit. He can't cook shit. Tim can't cook shit. He's a horrible ass cooker. And you will believe me. Robert, watch out! Your boat is destroyed! And I'm gonna enter your home and kill you! Wario! Wait. Wait! Wait! Robert! Oh, you didn't have to send a meteor to where I was at, bro. Chill. Fucking joke. Hello, blue tide. And I'm burning. Yay. Say goodbye to your house, Robert. Bo still doesn't care. That's great. Bro, what the hell are you doing? Ain't no way bro doesn't even care about what I'm doing, bro. You were chill about destroying my house, but now you don't even want to see me destroy your house. Oh god, I'm too high. Too high for this shit! Literally! Okay, what the hell is bro even doing? Bro, I'm legit. I am legit showing you what I'm doing on screen. Yet you don't even see it. I gotta go get my drink, bro. I'll be right back.
Hey, bud. Missed you.
I got my strawberry banana smoothie, bruh.
Glad you liked it.
Okay.
You sit down now. Oh, I missed you. I missed you. I missed you a lot. Okay. Let's get back to doing what we do.
Tasty.
You run.
Yeah.
What are you watching? You run. Watching short. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a hug, say hello. I had to take service. Alright, man, gotta take everything to go. Pack it up for it. That's what I'm going to do.
Gotta go with that. Timber! What did I say? Shipper. Wah, 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 wah. Ran out of strawberry banana. Robert, are you there? But I'll do an outro. If you guys like this video, punch that like button in the face and make sure to give high five all around. Whoopsh, whoopsh. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video!